Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're in good health and studying well for your exams. So, I had brought last time the quadratic equations part 1 for you. So, this is the quadratic equations part 2, okay? And it is taken from the book Concise Mathematics by Selina Publications and it for class 10th, okay? So, children, we will be studying the second part. Let's continue. Let's come to the next slide. Solving quadratic equations by factorization. So children, what is factorization? Factorization means finding the factors of a number and which satisfy the quadratic equation. Okay. We have studied that to solve a quadratic equation means to find the values or the value of the variable given in it which satisfy the given quadratic equation. For example, first to solve 5x square minus 6x minus 9y is equal to 0 or y square minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0 means to find the values of y or x which satisfy the given equation. Okay. Now steps involved in factorization. The first step is clear all the fractions and brackets if necessary. Means first solve over the fractions and the brackets if they are there. Okay. Transpose all the terms to the left hand side to get an equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Factorize the expression on the left hand side and put each factor equal to 0 and solve. Okay, these are the steps. Means factorize the expression on the left hand side and find the put each factor is equal to 0 and solve. Coming to the zero product rule, children, and some questions. The zero product rule. Whenever the product of two equations is 0, at least one of the expression is 0. Thus, if x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, it means that x plus 3 will be 0 or x minus 2 will be 0, because if one of the quantities is 0, then only we'll get the right hand side as 0. Therefore, uh, from here what we get the answer as x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 2. Okay. Now solve the following questions using factorization method. These are the examples, children, which I have taken from your book. Okay. First, let us solve 2x square minus 7x minus 39. Okay. See children, what is written here? 2x square minus 7x minus 39. This is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is of the standard form. Now we have to factorize the given equation. How do we factorize? We multiply 2 by 39. What we get? The answer 78. Right? 78. And we have to find two numbers which add up to 7 minus 7. Okay, and they multiply and give you 78. Right? So here what we do, 2x square, if we take minus 13 plus 6x, then 2x square minus 13x plus 6x minus 39, it will be equal to 0. That is factorizing on the left hand side. Okay. Again, I'm telling you, we have to take two numbers whose product is minus 78 and whose sum is equal to minus 7. So we take minus 13 into 6, which is minus 78. So we put here minus 13x plus 6x. Okay. Now we will solve it. Then we will take x as common. Then we will get 2x minus 13 on one side plus 3 into 2x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now 2x minus 13 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. We will form a bracket for x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 and second bracket will contain 2x minus 13. Okay. Now 2x minus 13 is, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus 13 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Since x is equal, therefore x is equal to minus 30, x is equal to 13 by 2, or x is equal to minus 3 from the equations. Okay, what we get. Okay, now coming to the next slide, children. Now the question and answers are continued. Okay, x square is equal to 5x. Okay, now x square is equal to 5x means ax square, this equation is of the form of ax square is equal to bx. Okay, x square minus, we will bring 5x to the left hand side, so x square minus 5x is equal to 0. We will take x as common, and then x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x will be either 0 or x minus 5 will be 0. So x value will be 0, or x will be the x will be equal to 5. Okay. Now the third question, children, x square is equal to 16. So we will bring 16 to the left hand side. X square minus 16 is equal to 0. Now what we see, a square minus b square, it is of the form of a square minus b square. How? X square minus 4 square. And what is the formula for a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so a minus b means x minus 4 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x value will be 4 or minus 4, and that is the answer. Okay, there is an alternative method to solve this, that is x square is equal to 16. So what you will do, you will take the square root of 16, which is plus or minus 4, that is x equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 4. Okay, that is the answer. Now coming to the next slide, children. Find the solution set of the equation 3x square minus 8x minus 3 is equal to 0 when x belongs to z, that is integers, and x belongs to q, rational numbers. What are rational numbers, children? Rational numbers are those numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0. Okay, they can be expressed in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0. Now solution, 3x square minus 8x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore we have to take a number which 3 into minus 3, which is gives us minus 9. Okay, and the addition should give minus 8. So we can take 9 into 1. So 3x square minus 9x plus x is minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 9x plus x means minus 9 into minus plus 1, it gives you minus 9, and minus 9 plus x gives you minus 8x. Okay, 3x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. By taking 3x common, okay, on the for the first term, and the 1 common for next term, that is x minus 3, then we have got in both the cases x minus 3 and one more bracket, that is 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 3 or x equal to 3. Therefore when x belongs to z, z means that it belongs to the group of integers. So what are integers, children? Integers contain negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers. Okay, so the solution set, what will be for the integers? It will be only 3, because minus 1 by 3 is not an integer. But we see that minus 1 by 3 is surely a rational number. Okay, because it is of the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0, that is 3 is not equal to 0. So the solution set is minus 1 by 3 for x belonging to q. Okay, Now coming to the next slide, children. The question says that a upon ax minus 1 plus b upon bx minus 1 is equal to a plus b, where a plus b is not equal to 0 and ab is also not equal to 0. Okay. In this question, see children, what we have to do, we have to make either the numerator as same or the denominator as same, so that we can take them as common. Okay. So if you see here, ax minus 1, if we subtract minus b here, then we will get the answer as a b, then we will get the answer as a minus abx plus b and upon ax minus 1. Okay. And if we take b minus b upon b, bx minus 1 minus a is equal to 0, then we will get b minus abx plus a, which is similar to the first term upon bx minus 1. Okay. So now let us take the question, children. So firstly what we do, we bring the left hand a plus b to from the right hand side to the left hand side. We subtract minus b from a upon ax minus 1 and a from b upon bx minus 1 2. Then we will get a plus b minus abx from both the side as common, and which is multiplied by at the top we will write 1 upon ax minus 1 is plus 1 upon bx minus 1 is equal to 0, or a minus bx abx plus b is equal to 0, or 1 upon ax minus 1 plus 1 upon bx minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. This is continued in the next slide, children. Minus abx, we will take the first term, that is minus abx is equal to minus a minus b, or abx is equal to a plus b. So in the previous slide we found out now that minus a plus b plus a plus b minus abx is equal to 0. So here what we are doing, we are going to solve the equation. So therefore minus abx is on the left hand side is equal to, we will take minus a and minus b, which are constants, on the right hand side. Then we can we can change the negative into positives. Abx is equal to a plus b, and x, the value of x will be a plus b divided by ab. Okay. So we got one value of x, that is a plus b divided by ab. Okay. Now the second question, second term solution for the quadratic equation. See, we got 1 upon ax minus 1 plus 1 upon bx minus 1 is equal to 0. So what we will do, we will take one of the terms to the right hand side. Okay. That is 1 upon ax1 is equal to minus 1 upon bx minus 1. Okay. Then we cross multiply on both sides. What we get, 1 upon bx minus 1 is equal to minus ax plus 1. Okay. So ax plus bx is equal to 2. So x into, now ax plus bx is equal to we will bring the terms of x terms on the left hand side. So ax plus bx is equal to 2. 1 will go on the other side and it will become 2, and x common we will take, and a plus b, that is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 upon a plus b, x equal to 2 upon a plus b, that is the answer. Okay children, coming to the next slide. Now students, finding the roots of the equation. The equation is given in the form of x upon x minus 1 plus x minus 1 upon x is equal to 2 1 by 2. Okay. Solution. See the solution, x upon x minus 1 plus x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Now x square first we will solve this. Okay, x into x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, and x, we will take the LCM of x minus 1 and x. Okay, so what we get as x into x minus 1 will be coming as the LCM, and it can go on the other side and it will be x square minus x. Okay, and for this we will multiply x into x and x minus into 1 into x minus 1. Therefore x square minus plus x minus 1 the whole square will give you 5 into x square minus x. Again I am explaining you children, x upon x minus 1 plus x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, so when we take the LCM will be x upon x minus 1, x into x minus 1 in the denominator, and in the numerator x square plus x minus 1 the whole square. And this x into x minus 1 will go on the right hand side and will be multiplied by 5, that is x square minus x. Okay, and when we multiply x into x minus 1 we get x square minus x. And when 2 is multiplied on the left hand side, what we get 2 into x square plus x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, now 2 into x square plus, we open the bracket. What is the formula for a minus b, children? A minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus x square minus 2ab minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5x square minus 5x. Now we will multiply 2 into 2x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5x square minus 5x. Then on the left hand side we get 4x square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 5x square minus 5x. Now bringing the right hand terms on the left hand side children, what we get 4x square minus 5x square and minus 4x plus 5x is plus 2 is equal to 0. Coming to the next slide children, what we get minus x square, solving the equation we get minus x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 2, we will remove the negative sign from x square so that we get the equation as x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. And we have to find a number whose product is minus 2 and which adds up to minus 1. So we will take minus 2 and plus 1. Okay, x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. See, minus 2 into plus 1 is equal to minus 2 and minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So we are getting the sum rule also and the product rule also. Okay, understood children? I hope you have understood that we have to multiply and give the we have to multiply. When we multiply we have to get the answer as minus 2, and when we add we have to get the answer as minus 1. Okay, so we take minus 2 and plus 1 as the factors. Now x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 2 from the above equation. So the answer is x equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 2. Okay, I hope you have understood children. Coming to the next question. Find the value of k for which x is equal to 3 is a solution of the quadratic equation k plus 2 k plus 2 x square minus kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Hence find the roots of the equation. This question has been asked in 2015 children. The solution for this equation is, we will put the value of x equal to 3 which is given in the equation. We get that k plus 2 into 3 square minus k into 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. Then k plus 2 into 9 minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. 9k plus 18 minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. 9k plus 18, we multiplied 9 by k plus 9 by k plus 2, right? So we got 9k plus 18 minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. 9k minus 3k will be giving you 6k plus 24 is equal to 0. Then 6k is equal to minus 24, because we take it on the right hand side, it becomes negative. K is equal to minus 24 by 6 is equal to minus 4. Substituting k is equal to minus 4 in the given equation, children, what we find, k plus 2 k plus 2 into x square minus kx plus 6 is equal to 0. We substitute the value of k as minus 4 plus 2 into x square minus 4 into x plus 6 is equal to 0, minus 2x square plus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0, or 2x square minus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 1x minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorizing the equation on the left hand side, children. Okay. Till now you must means when we multiply we should get minus 3, and when we add we should get as minus 2. So we take the factors as minus 3 and plus 1, which will when we multiply we get minus 3, and when we add minus 3 plus 1 we get minus 2. Okay. Then x is taking x as common, x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0, the zero product rule. Okay. X plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. X equal to minus 1 or x equal to plus 3. From this we get the answer that x is either equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 3. But we have already seen that x equal to 3 is already a root of the equation. Therefore, x minus 1 is the other root. That therefore, answer is x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now let us come to the next question, children. Okay. Now I have taken the questions from exercise 5B. Okay. Of Selina publication class 10 maths, concise mathematics. Okay. These are of 2024 edition. Okay. The first sum says x square minus 10x minus 24 is equal to 0. So we have to find a number, factorize the left hand side, and when what we get, x square minus 12x plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay. See, we can't take 6 into 4, because if we multiply minus 6 into minus 4, we will get plus 24. Okay. So we have to take two numbers which give you minus 24 and add up to minus 10. Okay. X into x minus 12 plus 2 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 12 or x minus 2, x equal to minus 2. Therefore, the answer is x is equal to 12 or x is equal to minus 2. That is, they are the root of the equation. Okay. Now coming to the next question, children. This is the third question in your book. Some questions I have left. You can, because they are similar to the other questions, so you practice them yourselves also. Okay. And if you have any problem, you can always comment in the comment box. Okay. 2x square minus half x is equal to if it is equal to 0. Then 2x square, this 2 which is there in the denominator, we will take as the LCM on the left hand side, and we will multiply with 2x square. That will give us 4x square minus x is equal to 0. So x into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get the answer as x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, taking 4x minus 1 means 1 will go first on the right hand side and 4 will come in the denominator. Now coming to the fifth question, children. 9 by 2x is equal to 5 plus x square. So we will take 9x on the left hand side and multiply 2 by 2 on the other side, right hand side, to 5 plus x square, which will give us 9x is equal to 10 plus 2x square. Now we will bring all the terms to the left hand side, that is 2x square minus 2x square plus 9x minus 10 is equal to 0. However, we will change the negative terms into positive. So we will get the answer as 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Here you are able to understand now. We are taking minus 2x square and minus 10 on the left hand side and plus 9x. But we change the term, make the term of coefficient of 2 as minus 2. We will change to 2. So 2x square and minus 9x plus 10 will be equal to 0. You can solve it and you will get the answer, children. Coming to the next slide. 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. Then we have to find two numbers. Then if we say 20, the product should be 20 and the number should add up to minus 9. So we will take minus 4 and minus 5 here as the factors. 2x square minus 4x minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x into x minus 2 minus 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 5 or x minus 2 will be equal to 0. Okay, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 5 by 2, or x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. That is the answer. Coming to the sixth question, children. 6 upon x is equal to 1 plus x. Okay, 6 is equal to x will go on the right hand side. It will become x plus x square. Multiply x by 1 plus x, then it will give you x plus x square. Then we will bring all the terms on the left hand side. So x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now coming to the next slide, children. X square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 3x minus 2x, we will take two terms whose product is minus 6, and on addition they give you x 1. That is 3 and 2. 3 and minus 2. So x square plus 3x, 3 into minus 2 will give you minus 6. 3. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. X into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or x equal to minus 3. That is the answer. Now coming to the seventh question, children. That's the only thing what we have to do here is find the factors. Okay, and finding the factors, that is not very difficult. You can find the factors by the factorization method. You can take minus 6 and you can take when you do the factorization here, you see that 2 into 3 is equal to 6 or 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so when if you can't take 6 into 1, but 3 into 2 will satisfy the above equation. So we have taken 3 into 2. Okay. Now coming to the seventh question, children. X is equal to 3x plus 1 upon 4x. Okay. I request you, children, if you have not liked or subscribed my channel, please do that. I am waiting that because your liking and subscription will only give me an inspiration to bring more and more topics. Okay. Now, okay children, please like and subscribe. 4x square, 4x will go on the left hand side, it will become 4x square is equal to 3x plus 1. 4x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x square minus 4x, how will we get minus 4? Minus 4x plus 1. Okay, minus 4x plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Coming to the next slide children. 4x square minus 4x plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x into x minus 1 plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So x, the value of x is 1 by minus 1 by 4, or x is equal to 1. That is the answer. Now taking question number 10. Okay. 2 into x square minus 6 is equal to 3 into x minus 4. 2x square minus 12 is equal to 3x minus 12. See children, minus 12 is there on the left hand side also and on the right hand side also. So we can cancel both of them, as if 12 will come on the left hand side, it will become plus 12, and minus 12 and plus 12 will get cancelled to 0. Okay. So the term which is left is 2x square minus 3x is equal to 0. And taking x as common, we find that 2x x into 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to, therefore x is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 3 by 2. That is the answer. Okay. Now coming to the 11th question children. X plus 1 into 2x plus 8 is equal to x plus 7 into x plus 3. Multiplying first on the left hand side, what we get, x into 2x is 2x square, x into 8 is plus 8x, plus 1 into 2x is plus 2x, plus 1 into 8 is 8. Okay, x into x is x square, x into plus 3 is 3x, plus 7 into x is plus 7x, plus 7 into plus 3 is equal to plus 21. 2x square plus 10x plus 8 is equal to x square plus 10x plus 21. Okay. Now, when we see the equation here, we see 2x square, 10x and 10x have got cancelled because they are positive on both the sides. If they were of different signs, then they would have added up. Okay. But here, when 10x comes on the left hand side, it will become minus 10x, and then it will become 0. Okay. So 2x square is equal to 13. 8 will come on the other side, and 2x square minus x square is equal to 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. Okay. So x square is equal to 13. X is equal to root of plus minus root 30 plus minus root of 13. Okay, is equal to 3 plus is equal to plus minus 3.61. Okay, the square root I will be teaching you in the subsequent, how to find out the square root in the subsequent slides or the presentations. Okay, x is equal to plus 3.61 or x is equal to minus 3.61, and that is the answer. Okay children, let us come to the next slide. So what does the 12th question say? X square minus a plus b into x is plus ab is equal to 0. So x square minus, we will open the bracket and we find that x square minus ax and minus x into minus b. So minus x into b, that is x square minus ax minus bx plus ab is equal to 0. Okay, then x into, we will take the x as common, x into x minus a minus b into x minus a is equal to 0. X minus b is equal to 0, or x minus a is equal to 0, considering the zero product rule. So x is either equal to b or x is equal to a. That is the answer. Okay. Coming to the 13th question, children. X plus 3 the whole square is minus 4 into x plus 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. If we substitute, because x plus 3 while you expand, it will give you a little bit bigger term. So we can put x plus 3. See, in both the terms we have x plus 3. We can put y as equal to x plus 3. So we get the equation as y square minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. You can easily solve the equation. So what will be the answer? That minus 5, that is minus 5 factors will be minus 5 and plus 1. Okay, minus 5 plus 1. See children, y square minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So y square minus 5y plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 after factorizing. Okay, y is equal y into y minus 5 plus 1 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. Y minus 5 is equal to 0 or y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 5 or y is equal to minus 1. Putting y is equal to 5, we get 5 is equal to x plus 3. So x's value will be equal to 2. If we put y is equal to minus 1, we get minus 1 is equal to x plus 3, and therefore x is equal to minus 4. Children, I am not having a digital board right now so that I can teach you on the digital board. But whatever sources I am having, today I have used the pen tab also. So I'm using that for you. Okay. Till I purchase the digital board, till that time, please, I will be giving you slides in this manner only. Okay. I hope you understand it. If you don't, please comment. Okay. And you have not liked my channel till now, please like and subscribe, children. Now coming to the 14th question, children. Okay. 4 into 2x minus 3 the whole square minus 2x minus 3 minus 14 is equal to 0. Again here also, children, you see 2x minus 3 is common here. So we can take 2x, y is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay. Then the equation will become 4y square minus y minus 14 is equal to 0. Then 4 into 14, what is 4 into 14, children? 4 into 14 is 56. And what is generally, we have to add to get minus 1. So if we multiply 8 into 7, we get 56. So here we factorize it, minus 8y plus 7y. Okay. 4y square minus 8y plus 7y minus 14 is equal to 0. So 4y we take as common. Y minus 2 plus 7 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4y plus 7 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. The value of y is either minus 7 by 4 or 2. Putting y is equal to 2x minus 3, what we get? Okay, we have to find the answer of x, not y. Okay, remember that. You have to continue and find out the answer of x. So minus 7 by 4 is equal to 2x by 3. So minus 7 by 4 plus 3 is equal to 2x. We will take the LCM here. Minus 7 plus 12 upon 4 is equal to 2x. Okay. 3 was brought on the left hand side. Then what will happen? 5 by 4 is equal to 2x, and 2 will come from other side and it will be come to the denominator, and then it will become x is equal to 5 by 8. Now putting y is equal to 2, we get 2 is equal to 2x minus 3, 5 is equal to 2x, x is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Therefore, the answer is x is equal to 5 by 8 or x is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, children. Now coming to question number 15, children, from the exercise 5b. Okay. 3x minus 2 upon 2x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 8 upon x plus 4. Okay, here what we will do, we will cross multiply both sides. So 3x minus 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3 into 3x minus 8. Open the brackets, children. 3x into x is equal to 3x square. 3x into plus 4 is equal to plus 12x. Minus 2 into x gives us minus 2x, and minus 2 into plus 4 gives us minus 8. And on the right hand side, children, 2x into 3x gives us 6x square. 2x into minus 8 gives us minus 16x. Minus 3 into minus 3 into 3x gives you minus 9x, and minus 3 into minus 8 gives you plus 24. Okay, so solving on the left hand side, what we find, 3x square plus 12x minus 2x will be 10x. 3x square plus 10x minus 8 is equal to 6x square minus 16x minus 9x. We will add them because they are both negative. So we will get the answer as 6x square minus 25x plus 24 is equal to 0. Now we will bring all the things at the left hand side. Okay. Now 3x square minus 6x square will give you minus 3x square. Plus 10x plus 25x will give you plus 35x. Minus 8 minus 24 will give you minus 32. Okay. Again I am telling you, 3x square minus 6x square will give you minus 3x square. Plus 10x plus 25x will give you plus 35x. Minus 8 minus 24 will give you minus 32. That is equal to 0. Okay. Sometimes when you can't find the factors, see, I have written here, I have taken 96. 3 into 32 was 96. Okay. So when I factorize it, in the very first instant, if I've taken 3, then 3 into 32. So the answer will be 32 and 3. Okay. The factors will be 32 and 3. Can you see it? On the right hand side, in a little column, I have factorized it. So we have to get, so 3x square minus 35x plus 32 is equal to 0. So we have to get plus 96 and minus 35, plus 96 as a product and minus 35 as the addition. Okay, so when we factorize, we get 3x square. So that the two terms will be minus 3x and minus 32. Okay, 3x square minus 3x minus 32x plus 32 is equal to 0. 3x into x minus 1 minus 32 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, children, coming to the next slide. 3x minus 32 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 32 by 3, or 10 whole 2 by 3, or and x is minus 1 is equal to 0, so x will be equal to 1. Therefore the answer is x is equal to 2, 10 whole 2 by 3, or x is equal to 1. Okay, children, I hope you are understanding all this. It is not at all difficult. When you practice the sums, they become more and more clearer to you. They become clearer to you. 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the 16th question, children. When find the value or solve this equation when x belongs to natural numbers, n is denotes natural numbers, and secondly x belongs to q, that is rational number. Okay, what is a rational number? I had told you before, a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Now taking the equation 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x square we have to multiply, we have to get 20. Okay, and minus 9. So we take 2x square minus 4x minus 5 first. 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x into x minus 2 minus 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x minus 5 or 2x minus 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. By the zero product rule, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 5 by 2, or x is equal to 2. X equal to 2, that is a natural number. So for the first question, we will get the answer as x is equal to 2. And secondly, x is equal to 5 by 2 is a rational number. So for the second part, we will get the answer as 5 by 2. Okay. Coming to the 19th question, children. 5 upon x by 2 minus 3 upon 3x plus 6 is equal to 4 upon x. Okay. Now, from this side, what we do, we take the LCM in the left hand side. Okay. So x by 2 and x by 6, x plus 6 and x minus into x minus 2 will be the denominator, and 5 will be multiplied by x plus 6 and minus 3 will be multiplied by x minus 2. And on the right hand side, we have 4 upon x. Okay. Are you able to understand, children? Okay. Now coming to the next slide. 5 into x plus 6 minus 3 into x minus 2 upon x plus 6 into x minus 2 is equal to 4 upon x. Okay. Now 5x plus 30 minus 3x plus 6 into this x will come on the x from the right hand side will come on the left hand side, and it will get multiplied by x, the whole terms, and is equal to 4, and x plus 1 into x minus 2 will come on the next side and it will get multiplied by 4. Okay. Now on the left hand side, what we get, 2x, 5x minus 3x give you 2x, 2x plus 36 into x is equal to 4 into x square minus 2x plus 6x minus 12. How? X into x is equal to x square, x into minus 2 is minus 2x, plus 6 into x is plus 6x, and plus 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Okay. So to see, children, you should not make any mistake while solving the questions. Like there are some mistakes which children make, like when we are writing plus on the on the equation, and in the second line, when we come, we write the equation like we put negative sign, or we don't put negative sign, or we miss some term. So be very careful while solving maths equations. Okay. You need to be very focused. You need to check twice, thrice that you have written the same terms which we have given on the first line. You have to continue the same terms from the first term to the last term. Okay. The terms must not be missing, or they should not change the signs. Okay. And the multiplication and everything, factorization should be very, very clear, and means that they should be right. Okay. 2x square plus 36x, 2x into x will give you 2x square, plus 36 into x will give you 36x, plus 4 into x square will give you 4x square, plus 6 into 6 minus 2x will give you 4 into 4 is 16x, and 4 minus 12 will give you minus 48. Okay. 2x square minus 4x square will be, we are bringing all the terms on the left hand side. 2x square minus 4x square plus 36x minus 16x plus 48 is equal to 0. Now minus 2x square, because 2x square minus 4x square will give you minus 2x square plus 20x plus 48 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 20x, we will change the negative sign to positive, children, for x square. 2x square minus 20x minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we can divide by 2 of all the numbers, because they are all of them can be divisible by 2. So x square minus 10x minus 24 is equal to 0. So what we will have to find out, that two numbers whose product is minus 24 and they add up to 10, minus 10. Okay. The two numbers will be minus 12 and plus 2. X square minus 12x plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. X into x minus 12 plus 2 into, I hope you are understanding that how we found the factors. If it takes minus 6 and minus 4, then it will not give you plus minus 24, it will give you plus 24. Okay, only minus 12 plus 2, if you multiply, then only you will get minus 10 also, and you will get minus 24 also. Okay, so we have taken minus 12 and plus 2. X into x minus 12 plus 2 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 2 or x into x minus 12 equal to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 12. And that is the answer. That is x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 12. Okay, children. Now, children, coming to the 20th question. 1 plus 1 upon x plus 1 into 1 minus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 7 by 8. Okay. So taking the LCM as x plus 1 for the first term, we get x plus 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to, into, taking the LCM as x minus 1 for the second term, we get x minus 1 into 1 minus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 7 by 8. So x plus 2 upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 up into x minus 1 is equal to 7 by 8. X square minus 4 upon x square minus 1 is equal to 7 by 8. Now children, how this term has come, x square minus 4 into x square minus 1, we can see that the term in the above question, a plus, it is x plus 2 into x minus 2, that is a plus b into a minus b. The formula is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. And also in the denominator, it is a plus b into a minus b. So there again we will say a square minus b square. That is a square, x square minus 4 and x square minus 1. Okay, so x square minus 4 upon x square minus 1 is equal to 7 by 8. Hence, x square minus 4 upon x square minus 1 is equal to 7 by 8. So 8x square minus 32 is equal to 7x square minus 7. Bringing 7x square on the left hand side, we get 8x square minus 7x square is equal to 8x square, and minus 32 minus 32 plus 7 is equal to 25, which is equal to 0. Now again we are seeing that this is again in the form of a square minus b square, x square minus 5 square. Okay, so we can write it as x minus 5 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 5. Answer, x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 5. I hope you have understood that why we have taken x minus 5 and x plus 5, because it satisfies the equation a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay children. Now children, coming to the next slide, the question number 21. Find the quadratic equation whose solution set is 3, 5 and secondly minus 2, 3. That is, the value of x is given as 3, 5 in one and the minus 2, 3 in the second. We have to form the quadratic equation. So for the first solution, we put x equal to 3 or x is equal to 5. Okay, x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Okay, this is the first quadratic equation. Coming to the second part children, x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 3. X plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. And therefore x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Okay. This solving the brackets you must have understood. X into x square will give you x square, plus 2 into minus 3 will give you minus 6, x into minus 3 will give you minus 3x, and plus 2 into x will give you plus 2x. Okay. Now coming to question number 22. Solve x by 3 plus 3 upon 6 minus x is equal to 2 upon 6 plus x, 2 into 6 plus x upon 15, where x is not equal to x. This is the first part. And the second part is solve the equation 9x square plus 3x by 4 plus 2 is equal to 0 if possible for real values of x. So we have to find out if there are any real values of x is not or not. Okay. So children, coming to the first part says x upon 3 up plus 3 upon 6 minus x is equal to say 2 into 6 plus x upon 15. So x into 6 minus x upon plus, we will take the LCM. 3 upon 6 minus x will be the denominator, and we will multiply x into 6 minus x and 3 into 3, that is 9. On the right hand side we get 2x plus 12x plus 2x upon 15. Okay. 3 from the left hand side can cancel 15, it will give you 5. Okay. Now 5 will come on the left hand side, so it will give you 5x into 6 minus x plus 45 is equal to 12 plus 2x into 6 minus x. Okay. The left hand side denominator will go on the right hand side numerator. Now, so opening the brackets, 5x into 6 is equal to 30x minus 5x square plus 45 is equal to 12 6 are 72 plus 12x minus 12x. Okay. And minus 2x square. So plus 12x and minus 12x get cancelled there only. Here we have minus 30x plus minus 30x minus 5x square plus 45 is equal to 72 minus 2x square. Okay. Minus 5x square plus 2x square plus 45 minus 72 plus 36 is equal to 0. How? Minus 5x square, we will take the x square terms on the first, minus 5x square plus 2x square, then 45 minus 72 constant terms plus 30x, because there is no x from the right hand side. Okay. Now minus 3x square plus 30x minus 27, 45 minus 72 will give you minus 27 is equal to 0. Now making the negative sign positive, 3x square minus 30x means multiplying by minus 1 on both sides. Okay. So multiplying by minus 1 on left hand side will give you 3x square minus 30x plus 27 is equal to 0. Now children, you can see that 3x square minus 30x plus 27 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can cancel, we can divide the whole equation by 3. X square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. So how you will get 9 as the x square 9 as the product and minus 10 as the addition. Okay. Then what we can do is minus 9 into plus 1. Minus 9 into minus 1, sorry. Okay. X square minus x minus 9x plus 9 is equal to 0. X into x minus 1, minus x and minus 1 and minus 9 are the factors of the equation. X into x minus 1 minus 9 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 9. Therefore, the answer is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 9. Okay. Coming to the second part, children, 9x square plus 3x plus 4 plus 2 is equal to, 9x square plus 3x upon 4 plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x square, so we will take 4 as LCM and we will multiply 4 by 2. 4 into 9x square gives you 36x square plus 3x, and 4 into 2 gives you 8 and is equal to 0, because it will get multiplied by 4 into 0 will give you 0. Considering the above equation, see that this equation 36x square plus 3x plus 8. 36 into 8 will give you a very big number, children. And what is the addition? It is only plus 3. Okay. So, if we consider the above equation, we can conclude that there can be no real values of x. Okay. You can try it, but no factors will satisfy this equation. Okay. So, there are no real factors for this equation. Use the substitution 2x plus 3 plus is equal to y to solve for x. If 4 into 2x plus 3 whole square minus 2x plus 3, putting y is equal to 2x plus 3, we get 4 into 2x plus 3 the whole square minus 2x plus 3 minus 14 is equal to 0. 4y square minus 4 minus y minus 14 is equal to 0. 4 into 14 is 56, and minus 56, and minus 8 plus 7 is also minus 56 and is equal to minus 1. Addition will give you minus 1. Okay, minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. So 4y into y minus 2 plus 7 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4y plus 7 or y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, value of y is minus 7 by 4 or y is equal to 2. Now, this is not the end of the question, children. We have to find the value of x also. Okay. So, continuing to the next slide, putting y is equal to minus 7 by 4. 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 7 by 4. So, we bring 4 to the next, 2x is equal to minus 7 by 4 minus 3. It will give you minus 7 minus 12 upon 8. That is minus 12 minus, we are taking the constant term on the right hand side and keeping the x on the left hand side. Okay. That is minus 19 by minus 19, and x, the coefficient of x2 will come in the denominator, so 2 into 4 will be 8. Okay, minus 19 by 8. Okay, this 2 will come in the denominator and it will become 8. Okay, now if y is equal to 2, 2x plus 3 is equal to 2. 2x is equal to minus 1, so x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence, x is equal to minus 19 by 8 or x is equal to minus half. That is the answer. Now, children, coming to the 26th question, this is the second last question of your exercise 5b, and so let us see this question. If x is not equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0, solve x upon a minus a plus b upon x is equal to b into a plus b upon ax. See, on the right hand side only the term is ax. Okay, so we can cancel, and on the left hand side, if we take the LCM, it will come to ax in the denominator. So what we do, we take the LCM on the left hand side, so it will become ax in the denominator, and x into x will give you x square minus a into a plus b. Ax and ax can get cancelled. Denominator will be cancelled on both sides. X square minus a square minus ab is equal to ab plus b square. X square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, that is equal to a plus b the whole square. Okay, understood, children? A square and minus ab are coming from the left hand side to the right hand side, and that becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. X square is equal to a plus b the whole square. Now taking square root, x square is equal to x is equal to plus minus root a plus b the whole square, or x is equal to plus minus a plus b is equal to a plus b or minus bracket whole a plus b. Okay, so therefore the x value of x is a plus b or minus a plus b. Now coming to the 27th question, children. This is the last question of your exercise. If you have not liked my channel or subscribed to it, please do, children. This is the, now coming to the 27th question. Let us solve this question, children. 1200 by x plus 2 into x minus 10 minus 1200 is equal to 60. So firstly we take the LCM for the first term. Okay, 1200 plus 2x upon x into x minus 10 minus 1200 is equal to 60. Okay, then 1200 upon 2x upon x into x minus 1 minus 1200 is equal to 60. That was what you get in on the previous slide. 1200 plus 2x into x minus 10 minus 1200 into x will again get multiplied by minus 1200 is equal to 60x. Now we do the multiplication. 1200 into x will give you 1200x. 1200 into minus 10 will give you minus 12,000. Okay, then plus 2x into x will give you plus 2x square, plus 2x into minus 10 will give you minus 20x. Okay, and then there is minus 1200x is equal to 60x. Now here, children, 1200x positive and negative 1200x will get cancelled, and what is left is 2x square. 60x will come to the next left hand side. It will become minus 60x. So minus 60x plus minus 20x will give you minus 80x. Minus 12,000 is equal to 0. We can divide the left hand side by 2. What do we get? X square minus 40x minus 6,000 is equal to 0. So now we have to find two numbers whose product is 6,000 and minus 6,000 and which add up to minus 40. Okay, so children, they can be 20 into 200 into 30, but that will not give you 40. Okay, so if you take 100 into 60, that is minus 100 into 60, it will give you 6,000, and the addition of minus 100 plus 60 will give you minus 40. Therefore, we will take the factors as minus 100x plus 60x. Okay, x square minus 100x minus plus 60x minus 6,000 is equal to 0. Okay, have you understood? Because the product should be equal to 6,000. 100 into 60 is equal to 6,000. Okay, x square minus 100x plus 60x minus 6,000 equal to 0. X into x minus 100, okay, plus 60 into x minus 100 will give you 0 is equal to 0. X plus 60 into x minus 100 is equal to 0. X plus 60 is equal to 0, or x minus 100 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 60 or x is equal to 100, and that is the answer. Okay, children, I hope you have understood this. X equal to minus 60 and x is equal to 100. So children, I have solved the whole entire 5B exercise for you, and I hope this much is okay for the factorization method. Among these questions only you will get in your exams. If you know all the types of questions, then you will be able to solve them in your exams. And just go through the slides and you will be able to understand what type of questions are there and what type of questions can come in your exam. Okay, children, so this was the end of the slides. Now Thank you, children. Thank you so much. You all are very amazing people, and do well in your exams. Prepare now so that you don't have to uh, you don't have to spend the whole night in the exams, like for studying. Okay, so prepare from now only for your both exams. Now, children, I would like to again ask you to subscribe, comment, share, and like my channel if you like them, and do comment if you have any problem. Okay, children. So that was everything about it. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me your time. Okay. God bless you all. Bye bye bye.